So today we're speaking with Mike Black from Dynamix, which will be exhibiting at the upcoming Surfing Show. For those of you who may not know, Dynamix is the largest Canadian-owned manufacturer and supplier of surface finishing chemistry. Mike, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
Yes, great. For those who may not know, tell us a little bit about Dynamix, all that you offer customers. I know you've been, like I said, the largest in Canada. I know you have some customers also in the U.S., but tell us a little bit about Dynamix and all that you offer to your customers.
Years ago, November 2021 was actually our 15-year anniversary. The bread and butter of our business started in zinc electroplating chemicals, all of the proprietary additives that go into zinc. From there, we expanded into more decorative coatings, so we manufacture your nickels, your brasses, your coppers, as well as some of the functional coatings like your hard chrome, your passivate. And then as the electroplating side of our business grew, we also started more mixing and blending, cold blending. We got into galvanizing, anodizing, pre-paint applications, rust inhibitors. So now we manufacture pretty much everything under the umbrella of surface finishing or metal finishing. We like to pride ourselves on being that one-stop shop for all of your metal finishing needs.
Right. You and I were just talking earlier, so much consolidation in the industry and names are changing and all those things. But for 15 years to be around, sounds like you guys have done a lot of things right, and you're still there for those customers and taking on new customers as well, right?
Yes, of course. And I think one of the big things that separates us from some of our competitors is a lot of the products are a little bit difficult to use, right? And there's 5 or 6 components in every process, and everything has to be tightly managed. And Dynamix really prides ourselves on after-sales support. So we have excellent technical service team, we have an excellent laboratory, and the laboratory and the service kind of go hand in hand with making sure that our customers produce the best work that they can and make their customers happy. So I think as some of our competitors grow in size, they kind of lose a little bit of that personal touch with the customers, and the service of it kind of goes away with that. So that's one area we're very focused on, and we have a very dedicated and motivated team that helps our customers a lot.
Right. So the NASF Surfing Show really gives you all a chance to meet some potential customers, tell them what you offer them, how you can help them. Like I said, great with the service and things. Someone coming by your booth in Chicago, what are some of the highlights you'll have in your booth for people to see that you'll want to talk to them about?
So we do sort of promote the service after sales aspect. We have a very large display that shows a lot of our laboratory services, some of the equipment we offer, some of the high-tech testing we can do to help us with our customers. This year we'll have our technical manager there. We'll have 2 of the owners of Dynamix there. So pretty much just the breadth of technical knowledge, talk about some of our processes, show some of the skills that our technical service team have. We do have a few products that we're going to be showcasing. The PFOA and PFOS-free fume suppressants are still a big item. So we do have a chrome fume suppressant that is PFOS, PFOA-free. We have also recently come up with a new trivalent black passivation chromate to go over chloride zinc. That's a newer technology as well. So we'll be promoting those 2 things, as well as just our general branded image as being a reliable, dependable kind of coating company that you can get the service from.
Right, correct. And it is a lot. I know from a lot of shops and shop owners is that, chemistry is great to have good chemistry that works very well, but also to be able to be a phone call away, to be able to troubleshoot things that they may run into. I know a lot of, platers, they get different types of metals, they get types of parts that they need to do. And I guess it's good to be able to, one phone call, they can kind of, because you guys, work with a lot of electroplating operations and finishing operations. You probably have seen it all and helped some shops solve it. Also, it's great to have that that knowledge and that partnership that you have with customers.
Yeah, it's great, and it really helped in a difficult time like COVID, when supply chains were tight and people were being a little bit more precise on where they were buying from and what they were buying. We were maybe using 2 or 3 products at a customer site, and 2 or 3 became 5, 6, 10 products because they relied on us and because we had that dependability of being able to supply the products and make sure our supply chain was tight and everything. So it was good to have a good relationship to help people out. And when you have that customer first mentality, it really does help drive the business on its own. And that's something that people love to hear more about at our booth.
Great. Well, we'll see you there at Surfing in the first week of June. And like I said, remind everybody of your web address so people can maybe check you out beforehand if they'd like to go.
Yeah, www.dynamix-inc.com. We actually just redid our website recently, and it
Yes.
has a couple new features on there. And we're actually introducing a few new things to the website. There's going to be a QR code that we're printing on our labels. So if you're on the line, the drum of the product beside you, you can just scan the QR code right off the drum, and you'll get the tech data sheet, the SDS sheets. You'll be able to reorder right from your phone, that sort of thing. So there's some cool stuff coming for our website. It's still kind of in development, but we have just recently launched a new one as of 2020. So check it out. And if anybody has any questions, we'd love to talk to you in the booth.
Okay. Great. Thanks for joining us, Mike.
Thanks, Tim.